Hello students, this is Rogini from GK Jain Schools, Raipuram. So before watching our video, please make sure that you subscribe to our channel so that you will receive all the latest notifications of our videos regularly. Thank you. So now let us move on to the today's class. Yes. So in today's class we are going to see about the 5th standard maths topic, common multiples. So already I have made a video on factors and multiples. So if you have not watched that video, go and watch it and come. Okay, then you can understand the common multiples better. Okay, now how to find the multiple of a given number? Yes, so I am going to give you an example first. So what is a multiple? Let us see first. Let us recall it. Okay, you all know how a rabbit moves, right? So you all like the rabbit, right? So how a rabbit moves, it will jump and move on, right? So imagine if a rabbit is jumping to 4 steps at a time. It is reaching 4 steps in one time. Then what will be the second step it will make? Second time it will move to the 8th step. The third time it will move to the 12th step. The fourth time it will move to the 16th step. And the 5th time it will reach the 20th step itself, right? So like that up to 10 we are counting means the 10th time how the rabbit will be? The 10th time the rabbit will reach the 40th step itself, right children? Yes. So while I am saying this steps and countings, what is coming to your mind? The times and the numbers. Yes, this multiplication, right? So 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 is 12, 4 times 4 is 16, right? So this is how the multiplication is coming. So multiplication and multiple are closely related, right? So can we write the multiples of 4 now? So how the rabbit jumped? It jumped multiples of 4 in terms of multiples of 4. So how the rabbit jumped? Can you tell me the multiples? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, right? Up to it will go up to 40. If it goes to the 10th step or 20th step means it will go on increasing in the times of 4. Okay. So this is how you should write the multiples of 4. In short, the multiplication table answers are the multiples of the given number. Okay. So if you see the 4 tables means these are all the answers that we are getting in the right side, right? So 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20 and 4 6s are 24 and so on, right children? Let me give you a number and we are going to find out the multiple of that number, okay? So 4 and 5, okay? So we are going to find the multiples of 4 and 5, right? So what are the multiples of 4? Can you tell me? That now only we have solved 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 and so on. It will go so on up to infinity, right? Then 5. What are the multiples of 5? Can you tell me? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and so on and so forth, right? So these 2 tables we have taken up to 6 multiples, right? The 4 we have taken for 6 multiples and the 5 we have taken for 6 multiples. So these are the multiples of 4 and 5. So you can see the multiplication table itself, right? These are the answers of the multiplication table, right children? We are going to see what are common multiples from this, okay? So what are common multiples? Let me say the definition first. So the multiple which is common to both the number is called as the common multiples, okay? So what is that definition is saying? The multiple which is common to both the numbers that are called as common multiples. So we have find the multiples of 4 and 5 here, right? So these are the multiples of 4 and 5. So which is the common multiple here? So these are called as multiples, right? So which is the common multiple? That means we have to see which is the common number here, that's all. So what is the common number here? Yes, 20 is the common number here, right? Any other common number you can see here? So we are seeing 20 as a common number and any other numbers can we see? No, right? So what is the common multiple of 4 and 5? Common multiple of 4 and 5 is 20. Okay. What is this? Common multiple. Okay children, the common multiple of 4 and 5 is 20. So this is what is called as common multiple. Now look at this sum carefully. What is that? Find the common multiple of 9 and 12. Okay. So we are going to find the common multiple of 9 and 12. So how to find the common multiple of a given number? First we have to find the multiples of the two given numbers. Okay. So multiples of, first we have to find multiple of 9. Okay. Then we have to find multiple of 12. Okay. Then first we have to find it and then we are going to find the common multiples. So shall we write the multiples? Yes. So what is that? 9. Multiples of 9 means we have to keep on adding 9 to each number. Right. So 9 first, then 18, 27, next 36, then 36 plus 9, 45, next 54. Next 54 plus 9, 63, 32 and then after that 72 plus 9 is 81. So like that it will go on up to, okay, up to n numbers. Many numbers we will get. Then the multiples of 12, shall we write the multiples of 12 now? So 12, first one is 12, then 24, then what comes after 24? 36, then 36 after 48, 48 after 60, then 72, then after 60 and 72, what is the number? 84, then 96 and then 108. Okay. So if you remember the tables well, you can easily find out the multiples of each number. Okay children. Now we are going to find the common multiple, right? So first we have written the multiples of 9 and 12 separately. Now we are going to find the common multiple. So how to find the common multiple? Yes. So see the common numbers here. So which are all the number you can identify the common multiples? Yes. Yeah, 36 is here, right? So 36. So the first common multiple is 36. Any other number you can see here which is common to both the number? Yeah, 72, right? So we are having 72 as the common number. Okay. Any other number which is common to both the multiples? No. So we have two common multiple, right? So the common multiple, so we have to write like this. Okay. The common multiple of what numbers? 9 and 12 are, so up to we have writing the up to the 9th multiple. So what is the common multiple? 36 and 72. So this is how you should write the answer. Okay. This is how you should find the common multiple of a given number. Okay children. Now shall we do another problem? Yes. So find the common multiples of 4 and 6. So how to find the common multiples? You know the steps very well, right? So first we have to find the multiple of 4. Multiple of 4 we have to find first. Then multiple of 6. Multiple of 6 we are going to find next. And then what we have to do? We have to find the common multiples. So can you tell me the multiples of 4? So we have to add 4 to each number. 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. Then 12 plus 4 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. 20 plus 4 is 24. And then 4 plus 4 is 28. And then 32. Then 32 plus 4 is 36. And then 40. So here for this 4 table, I have written up to 10 multiples of the 4, right? So next we are going to write the 10 multiples of 6 also. Okay, so what are 6? 6 multiples? First one is 6, then 12, then 18. 18 plus 6 is 24, then 24 plus 6 is 30. Yes, 30. Next 30 plus 6 is 36. Then 36 plus 6 is 42, 42 plus 6, 48, then 54, then 60. Okay, understood? So these are all the multiples of 6. So what is our job? We have to find the common multiple of the given number, right? So how to find the common multiple? So see which are all the numbers are common here. So which are all the numbers are common here? Yeah, first we can see that 12, right? Next, what are the multiples is common? 24, right? So we can see 24 is common, and any other number you can see? Yeah, 36 also common, right children? So we can see 36 is also a common multiple, right? Any other number? No. These three numbers are common multiples of 4 and 6, right? So what we have to write? Common multiple of 4 and 6. So what are the common multiples? Can you tell me the number? 12, then 24, then 36. Okay, so these are all the common multiples of 4 and 6, 12, 24 and 36. So thank you for watching my video. Next video we will see about the least common multiple, that is LCM, and how to do the LCM quickly. Thank you.